So we're getting our pool drained and it looks crazy. This is how deep our pool is. It's a cloudy day today and it's very quiet outside and I'm just enjoying my breakfast. I was gonna make banana pancakes today, but I am running out of time, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But I'm loving the cloudy weather and then I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym. So last night before going to bed, I set out my outfit of what I'm gonna wear today. That way it's just easy and right there. So I have my outfit planned, about to change into this. I'm so excited to wear my new Lululemons. They're the white Aligns and I'm super excited to wear them, and my new shoes. Alright, so here is my outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this NASA shirt. It's cute. The back has an American flag. I don't know if I'm even showing it, maybe. And then I'm wearing my new white Lulus. I'm obsessed with them, and my new shoes. Ready for the gym. Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. It is Tuesday and today is leg day, so I'm gonna be filming. I thought I was just gonna do like a week in the life and film every day of the week and put it in one vlog, but all the footage I got from yesterday was enough to make its own, so I'm gonna do every day basically for a week of just my progress, how I'm feeling about it, how it's going, stuff like that. If you're interested, awesome. If not, sorry. But today is leg day, so I'm gonna go do a quick leg day at the gym and then I'm gonna come back and do my second workout of the program. Today for breakfast, like I said, I was gonna make the pancakes that are part of the meal plan, but I did not have time this morning because I decided to watch The Bachelor. I woke up early and watched The Bachelor. So yeah, it is a rainy day today, if you can tell, but I'm gonna go work out. Alright, so I just got finished up at the gym. It was a mediocre workout. It wasn't great, but I mean, I feel it in my legs still from yesterday. So I'm gonna go home now and do my other workout, and I'll film a little bit of that for you guys. And then I'm gonna make myself some lunch, and then I have to work on my life coaching class, and then I'm gonna go to work. So that is the gist of my day today. So just follow along. My workout and it was good. This one was actually really good. I really liked it. I didn't have weights to do this. I actually did some arm stuff at the gym because I knew there was gonna be weights, so I did use weights at the gym. I am sweaty and I felt great. Now I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna chill out for a little bit and go make myself some lunch. Look at my cute little doggies over there. Look, so cute. What are you doing? I had to take my shoes off because that's what happens when you're breaking in new shoes. They hurt. Okay, so for lunch today, I'm gonna have a side salad. I'm gonna use the same stuff I had yesterday, so I'm gonna use some butter lettuce, goat cheese, balsamic. Part of the meal plan says you can have salads for lunch or whatever. So I'm gonna have that and some tomato, not cucumber this time. And I'm gonna add, and then I'm also going to have a spicy Italian chicken sausage. I got these from Trader Joe's. I was looking for a different kind. I usually get the sweet Italian chicken sausage, but they didn't have it, so I got this one instead. So I'm gonna make one of these and put it in half of a pita, so just half, and then put a little bit of tzatziki sauce. So while I'm waiting for the water to boil, I'm just gonna eat my salad. I ended up just putting lettuce and goat cheese and balsamic. It just sounded good to me, so I'm a plain Jane kind of girl. So I'm just gonna eat this because I'm starving, and then wait to cook this. I'm also going to have the rest of my kombucha from yesterday. So this is a watermelon wonder. It's really good. You should definitely try it. So here's the finished product. I just cut up the sausage, put it in here, and then I put a little bit of ketchup. I probably shouldn't be doing that, but I have to have my sausage with ketchup. So it's all about balance and portion control. So I'm really excited to eat this. So I just got to the school to pick up Trip, and it is raining still, and I'm loving it. I'm feeling super shaky and I'm already sore, so that's a plus. I've been sitting here on my drive here, and I've just been like thinking about it really hard about what it would be like if I decided to be a coach. After this trial is over, I'm gonna decide if I want to continue with it. And I keep thinking, and I keep getting excited about it, and I keep thinking about how I can make all these cool workout plans and try them myself, and make these meal plans and also try it myself. Obviously I would try everything before I put it out there to make sure it's good, but it's like I'm getting excited about it. So if this is something that I could do, I think I'm gonna go for it. Like, I honestly think I'm gonna go for it. I want to thank Tiffany McGrath so much, because if she did not mention this, I would not have such an excitement for it and a passion. And so I'm just really looking forward to what the future is going to hold. I'm also taking life coaching courses, so we'll see how that intertwines. We'll see what happens with that, but so far things are looking up. I have been praying for God to lead me where he wants me to go career-wise, and all these things have started to pop up. So if it's God, it'll happen. If not, something else will come along, but I'm like really excited and really looking forward to the future. All right guys, I just got home from work and I'm a little annoyed, actually really annoyed. I'm so annoyed because I went to go throw away baby's diaper today, and I had to walk in the mud in my new white shoes, and this happened. I got dirt on my shoe. I hope I can get it off, but that was so annoying to me. But anyways, I did have a little snack while I was there. I was at someone else's house. Probably should have brought something with me to snack on, but I just had a half of an English muffin with natural peanut butter on it. I'm home now and I'm gonna have some chicken something. I'll show you what we're having. It's from an every plate meal, so I will show you that. Ow, and my feet hurt so bad from breaking in these new shoes. I don't know if you can see this. I have literal burns or whatever that is on the back of my leg. It hurts. I feel like. What? And for my dessert, I'm having strawberries and almond butter. What? Do you want some? Sorry, you can't have any. That dinner did not sit well with my stomach. It was not a part of the meal plan, and I made my first that was not very good. It made me feel very crampy, so that's not fun. But I'm really excited because my cases came in, my Casely cases. I got sent some cases for my phone, so I thought I would do a little unboxing with you guys, or unbagging, and share with you what cases they are. And I will definitely link their site down below to where you can get your own cases. And if you like these, get these ones, and I'll tell you my honest opinion if I like them or not. Unbagging and unboxing things are just so satisfying to me. Love it. It comes with a free sticker. Put that on my water bottle, and this little card. So this is cool. Apparently it's a club, so you can sign up and receive a new phone case every month for $15 a month, and their cases are normally like $30 or $40. I'm not exactly sure. I'll have to look it up, but that's pretty good. I'm just going to show you this. If you want to pause the screen and look at it, you can do that. But anyways, let's get on into the cases. So the first case is this one, and it is just a marble. This is the Bold collection, by the way. It has 2 layers, so it's a dual layer shell, 8-foot drop protection, precise cutouts, ultra raised lip, and it's designed in New York. The packaging is really cute too. Ooh, that feels nice. It feels really durable actually. So the inside is just a black color, and I will show you what all of these look like on my phone. So right now I just have this clear case on, but let me take that off. It feels so weird not having a case. I feel like I'm gonna drop it, so I need to hurry and put a case on it. So let's just put this on and see how it looks. Ooh, that looks nice. It looks sleek because it's black, and so is the screen, so that looks really cool. This is what it looks like from the back. I love it. This is actually really cool, and the buttons, easy to press still. It seems really protective too. Like it said, it has like a raised lip, so if you drop it, it won't fall right on the screen. So I love that. Next one. The next one is this one, and it is so cute. I don't know if there's a name. There's definitely a name for this, but I don't know what it is. I don't know what the name is. If I figure it out, I will comment down below, but it's like some sort of like sea looking one, or turquoise looking one. I don't know. Super cute though. Let's take it out. this is really pretty. This is what this one looks like. Just blue. I don't know how to explain it. It almost looks like the sea or something like that. And then the inside is also blue, so that's really cool actually. So it's different, 2 different tones of blue. And yeah, I am going to put it on my phone. It's a little difficult to put in. Okay. Ooh, that looks really cool. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. I actually really like that. It's super different. So this is what it looks like from the back. It feels really sturdy too, like it doesn't feel cheap at all. Love it, love it. And the last one I have to show you guys is actually so cute. It might be my favorite. I don't know. I'm a basic kind of girl. So this one is just a nude one, which I like. So I think it's like nude on taupe or taupe on nude. I don't know. We'll see when I open it. This one's pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just a nice, pretty nude color. And then, or taupe, I don't know. And then nude or beige or something on the inside. I really like that. I think I'm going to like this on my phone. That looks super cute. I think I might keep this one on my phone. I'm pretty sure this is my favorite one, which is so funny because it's the most boring one I feel like, but I think it's super cute. It just matches my aesthetic, so I really like this. It's real cute. And yeah, that's what it looks like in the front. Those are all the cases. I hope you enjoyed, and I will leave the link. Don't forget to go buy yourself some Casely cases. Leave the website down below. Let me show you again. I will put the names of them. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can figure them out when you get on the site, but here's what they look like. Go get some. Now, I have a lot to do. I feel like tonight I have to still take my class for life coaching, and it is 7:30, and I try to get into bed around like 8:30, and then, you know, wind down with some TV and stuff. My class takes 70 minutes, so I have to do that, and then I have to do my quiet time. And then I have to, what do I have to do? I have to get ready for bed, and then I have to clean up. So I have a lot to do and not a lot of time. While I do that, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow because I will have another one up. So far, loving it. I've made a few slip-ups, but we're all human. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.